In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do bulk or auto merging. Once you run your rule, you will get some results. Click on Merge Duplicates, and it's going to lead you to this page. On this window, on its right side, you're going to choose which fields you're going to use. On left side, you are going to choose Merge Order that is Master Record. You have some options here. Oldest to newest, newest to oldest, using created on or modified on. And you have most to least or least to most of activities or filled fields. I'm going to select this oldest to newest. If you want to merge only specific records from your list, you can create and use your fetch XML here. You can also include related data or don't. All closed related records will, during the merge, reopen and close again. Modified date will be changed. And you have option skip errors, and you can select working in the background. And you just click on Start Merge.